I'm Darley Newman, and I'm here in Hayward, Wisconsin, at the site of the Lumberjack World Championships.
I'm traveling throughout Wisconsin's Northwoods to explore the vast Chequamegon-Nicolet National Forest, soaking in local food, drinks, and fun.
It's so neat to be in older forests like this because it does sound different. Uh-oh, there's a rock there. Ah! I almost went over.
Every night we're open, we have double bubble from 4:30 to 5:30.
Ooh, wow.
You got one?
I got a jalapeno in there. Helping preserve history and learning something new. Those are good. Cattails, who knew?
There she is right there.
So you have a lot of experience on the North Country Trail.
Yes. Yes, I do.
Join me on Travels with Darley in Wisconsin's Northwoods.